Thank you for choosing Unnique, the premium brand of hair treatments. This video will outline the proper application technique for the Unnique Ageless Blonde Hair Therapy, suitable for colored hair, blonde, highlighted, and silver hair. Always perform a thorough analysis on the client. Begin the hair diagnosis to determine if this treatment will be the best for the hair's needs. Prepare all your tools and begin application. Start by gently cleansing the hair with the Unnique Deep Cleansing Shampoo. Work shampoo into a lather from root to ends, massaging it gently without too much friction to avoid opening the sebaceous gland, which causes oiliness, preventing the treatment from fully adhering. Let the shampoo set for 3 to 5 minutes between every wash for a better opening of the hair cuticle. Rinse with warm water and repeat 2 to 3 times or more, depending on the cleansing needed to remove the product buildup and oils on the hair, leaving it super clean to ensure the best results and treatment for your hair. Towel dry and detangle the hair with Unnique's Vent Brush. If the hair has already been treated with any straight procedure or hair coloring, dry about 50%. If it is a natural virgin hair, dry about 80 to 90% of the hair. Then divide the hair into 4 parts and begin sectioning diagonally. Wearing gloves, start applying the Unnique Ageless Blonde Therapy treatment. Using our 3-point application technique, with Unnique's tint brush, begin applying the treatment a 1/4 inch from the scalp to avoid product from touching the skin. Then repeating every 1.5 inches until you reach the end. With a fine-tooth comb, spread the product evenly but do not remove the excess. Once the product is applied, be sure to prevent treated hair sections from laying across the face. Leave the treatment on the hair for 45 to 60 minutes, then proceed to rinse the hair with water only. Using cold water at a suitable temperature, rinse the hair, emulsify for a few minutes, and then continue rinsing, making sure to leave 50% of the product for natural hair and 20% if it is processed hair. Then towel dry and detangle the hair with Unnique's Vent Brush. Spray the Unnique Express Blow Dry evenly throughout the hair for a faster drying time and extra layer of protection and shine. Then divide the hair into 4 parts and section diagonally to begin the flat ironing process. Now that the application process is complete, your client can begin enjoying the benefits of healthy, frizz-free, shiny, and smooth hair. To prolong the life of the Unnique Ageless Blonde Hair Therapy treatment, be sure to send your clients home with the Unnique ABS Aftercare Kit, specially formulated for all different hair types to help maintain and continue enhancing your hair treatment. Unnique, the worldwide leader in premium hair treatments.